Apple just released iOS and iPadOS 13.1.3. Let's talk about it. What's up everyone, it's Jason here with Red Bee Labs and welcome to the channel. If you're new to the channel, we provide in-depth reviews and unboxings for all tech. Today, Apple released iOS and iPadOS 13.1.3, and that is to fix all the bugs and performance issues that have been reported. So, I'm going to read this list to you of all the new bug fixes. Here are the bug fixes. Addresses an issue that could prevent a device from ringing or vibrating from an incoming call. Fixes an issue that may prevent anyone from opening a meeting invite in mail. Resolves an issue where data in the Health app may not display correctly after daylight savings time adjustments. Fixes an issue where voice memo recordings may not download after restoring from an iCloud backup. Addresses an issue where apps might fail to download when restoring from an iCloud backup. Fixes an issue that can prevent Apple Watch from pairing successfully. Resolves an issue where notifications may be received on an Apple Watch. Fixes an issue where Bluetooth may disconnect on certain vehicles. Improves connection reliability of Bluetooth hearing aids and headsets. Addresses launch performance for apps that use Game Center. Now, I've been saying for a while that, I'm glad Apple is rolling out these updates. For me, it's like, if you find issues, then please go out and fix them. Don't sit there and deny them. Don't try to sweep them under the rug or blame other people. Just go ahead and fix it. Take care of it, man up, do what you gotta do. Keep them rolling out to us, Apple. Before you go, if you found value in this video, please smash that like button, leave me a comment or two, share this video. Also, click that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on any new videos I release. As always, this is Jason, and I'll catch you in the next one.